This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about peelers, specifically this Metlux stainless steel vegetable peeler. It's a commercial grade peeler that's 7.5 inches in length. It features a double-sided blade and it's nice and razor sharp. So it's perfect for peeling all types of vegetables and various fruits. It's got a loop on the end for a really nice design feature and a thoughtful touch that allows you to hang it up if needed for storage. It's a stainless steel construction that makes for a durable tool that can handle constant, long-lasting use. And it's fantastic for both prep work and also creating lovely garnishes to finish your dishes. It's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup and features a non-slip grip to help reduce fatigue. It's perfect for use in any food establishment or just at home in your own kitchen.